Welcome to this short demonstration. We are showing you how guided learning path is structured to help you master a complex topic, using photosynthesis as an example. This isn't just a regular video, it's a peek behind the curtain at a highly effective structured learning journey. Every great journey starts with a map. Our learning path begins with right here with the diagnostic quiz. As you can see, the learner is immediately presented with 4 key questions on photosynthesis, ranging from the core equation to the factors affecting its rate. The purpose: it's a quick low-stake assessment to pinpoint exactly where concepts need review, identifying any knowledge gaps before we dive into the details. Watch as the learner engage with the first few questions through simple, immediate feedback and focused questioning. Can you name all the 3 limiting factors? What are the products of the light-dependent stage? The system or tutor guides them through their initial knowledge. The process quickly confirms their foundational understanding, like correctly naming the reactants, carbon dioxide and water. This interactive guided session, which focuses on solidifying foundational knowledge, is where our video demonstration concludes. The diagnosis is complete. We now know where specific areas the learner needs to focus on. But the learning doesn't stop here. The rest of the guided learning path is designed for independent mastery. These include step-by-step worked examples explaining the balanced chemical equation and the role of chlorophyll, a 5-question mixed quiz testing knowledge on limiting factors and required practicals, 10 flashcards with worked examples detailing stages like the light-dependent reaction, and finally, 2 group tasks, one simple, one challenging, to encourage deep application, such as designing an experiment to investigate light intensity. So while this video ends after the diagnostic phase, the complete path provides all the tools necessary for the learners to move from assessment to mastery of photosynthesis. Thanks for watching this demonstration of structured guided learning.